Today is day 170 and enjoying breakfast. So banana and peanut butter and Nutella and bread. And I'm here with PCT hiker Skyblade.
Can't see my face.
The worker wears are outside doing some caulking, and I'm inside doing some chores like cutting out the backs of my new shoes.
Okay, so old shoe, new shoe. There's holes in the sides. So I used these shoes through all the Sierra, Northern Oregon, and Southern Washington. Tread's not too bad, but the upper parts are starting to fall apart. I think it's from all the water crossings and being wet and drying out. Drying out my stuff. Doing work. Drying everything in the sun. I'm gonna leave for 3 weeks, and I'm going up on the road.
I'm leaving Kristen and Steve's house, which is right there, to go to the bus stop because this is bad, very bad, but I have a severe toothache. Started a day or so ago, and it's getting worse. So I'm going to be taking the bus to WENATCHEE, which is the big city over, because a dentist's office was very, very kind to fit me in and take a look at my tooth. Waiting at the bus stop in front of the library in PESHASTIN. I'm now on the bus, and the day pass costs $5. Now on the second bus, this is a local inner city bus, just made it in time, and my tooth is really bothering me, so I can't wait to get to this dentist. Here I am at the office, going into the dentist. What a very nice office. Thank you. Thank you so much to FIBONACCI Smile here. You guys fit me in when there was no appointments. Wonderful, wonderful care. I have a broken, cracked root canal tooth. Took the x-ray, it's messed up, have a big infection, and dentist fixed my bites and have a prescription for antibiotics, and there's no charge for the visit. I can't believe the generosity. Thank you so much. The trail provides. It really does. Thank you. Okay, a little more composed now. Still floored by the generosity of Joy and Dr. Alexander at FIBONACCI Smile. Such a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful experience and wonderful place. Anyhow, downtown WENATCHEE, heading back to the bus station, but I gotta make a quick pit stop first before I go back to Leavenworth. Just a super quick one. If you guessed brewery, you'd be right. Let's go. This is a pretty cool brewery spot. Too bad I don't have a lot of time here just for a quick pint. So I asked what the most popular were. They gave me a choice of 3. I'm going with the Foxy Tail Blood Orange because I'm feeling a little foxy because can't be sad and down all the time, right? So let's try it out. It is an IPA, but the IPA flavors are pretty subtle. All I taste is fruit with a little bit of beer. but it is cold and it feels good against my sore tooth. I would maybe have this beer again if it was a hot day and it was a patio, but if you come here to this brewery, maybe try something else. Having a second pint with Rick, Kirk, and Dawn. So this is their Honey Blonde, one of the 3 flagship choices. Let's try. It's very sweet, but has a wonderful flavor. I would definitely choose this one over the Foxy Tail Blood Orange if you come to this brewery, especially for those people who prefer lighter beers. I know sometimes in California and the West Coast it's IPA or nothing, but a blonde is what the doctor orders or dentist orders once in a while.
Good luck on your trip.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah.
Got a ride with one of the fellas at the brewery. Now I'm going to be taking the bus back to Leavenworth. So I got to get to the Safeway to get my antibiotics. I'm at the pharmacy in Safeway and these guys are on it. Got my prescription in just a matter of minutes and the charge was $7 for amoxicillin. Like, wonderful!
Here is my resupply until Tahitian. And I have hot tamales and dots. I did not get the myconites because I think the frozen myconites caused my tooth problem. So I'm going to protest them in the next section and just get a little bit of candies. We'll see how that goes.
Back in Kristen and Steve's house, and I have a dinner. And it's soft foods, which is good for my bad tooth.
So we're already going to be tired.
Froyo or die.
I don't have froyo. I wish I did.
Dog version Linkin Park Numb on YouTube on the living room TV. Why do you want to hear a dog version of Linkin Park?
Oh, it worked! It worked!
I can't believe how stupid that had to be.
Yes!
What is this?
Hold on, you need to lower the volume right now.
What have you done? What have you done? I broke the TV. I don't know how to stop.
Stop this.
What are you guys eating?
Cheesecake swirl brownies.
Oh, I want to try my coffee. Okay, that's bad.
Last night I was lucky to sleep in the bed. Tonight I am surfing on the couch with my sore tooth. I hope it feels better in the morning.